Okay, so we're continuing on with a couple more examples, solving by substitution. What I want you to do is sort of take a moment with these two problems and see if you can do them on your own. So pause the video when you feel comfortable. Take a minute, try to solve these two, get x and y, and see if you're correct. Just to give you a little bit of a hint on what you want to do, these are already both solved for y. So if y is equal to both of these things, then both of these things are going to be equal to each other. So you want to set negative 4x plus 8 equal to x plus 7 and solve from there. Notice they've already solved for y in this one as well. So all you've got to do is take this y out and put 2x there and solve. So take a minute, pause the video, and see what you come up with. Okay, so in the first example, I said if they're both equal to y, then they're equal to each other. So we can set negative 4x plus 8 is equal to x plus 7. And now we just solve for x. Now there's a couple ways you can do it. My suggestion is to keep your x positive. So we'll add 4x to both sides. And that leaves me with 8 is equal to x plus 4 is 5x. That's 1x plus 4x. So plus 7. And then if we subtract 7 from both sides, 8 minus 7 is going to be equal to 1. And that's equal to 5x. And then to get x by itself, we divide by 5. So we get x is equal to 1 divided by 5 is actually 0.2. Alright, so there's your x. Now we need to find y. Now both of these are solved for x, or solved for y, so you can plug it into either one. But if you notice, the second one's going to be really easy to plug in because you don't have a number in front of the x. So if we take this one and use that one, y is equal to x, which we found to be 0.2, plus 7. So y is actually equal to 7.2. And if you want to write it as a coordinate, x goes first, 0.2, y goes second, 7.2. All right, so there's the first one. The second one, they've already solved for y. So what we want to do in this equation is take the y out and put 2x in. So it's 7x minus 2x is equal to 15. Combine like terms. 7 minus 2 is 5x. That's equal to 15. Divide by 5. And you get very quickly come on to your answer. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Again, you can plug that x into either one of these equations, but notice this top one is going to be really easy if we plug it in there. So we get y is equal to 2x. X we found to be 3. So that's 2 times 3. So y is equal to 6. Okay? So if you have any questions on this, please bring them to class.